Hello students, today we will start English Grammar chapter 4 pronouns. So I explained pronouns in my first video in parts of speech, and here we will study it briefly about pronouns. So let's start. I wrote one sentence here, few sentences here, just have a look. Armin sat under a tree. Armin opened a notebook and began to write something in the notebook. Now you can see here I used Armin in 2 times, which is a noun, and again I used notebook also 2 times. So if we want to write these sentences in a better way, then what we have to do? We have to replace these words with few suitable words. Now what are these words? Just have a look. If we wrote Armin sat under a tree, she opened a notebook. She opened a notebook and began to write something in it. So we replace Armin with she and we replace notebook with it. So you can see here that some nouns, if we repeat some noun in a sentence and if we change these nouns by some other words, then the sentence are better. And so what are these words? These words are then known as pronouns, and pronouns help us to avoid using the same nouns repeatedly in sentences that follow one another. And if we mention a noun the first time in a sentence, and if they appear again in the sentence, in the later sentence, then we have to replace them with suitable words, and these words are known as pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that can be used in place of nouns. So come to next point, kinds of pronoun. So what are the different kinds of pronoun? Just have a look. Personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and distributive pronoun. So these are the different types of pronoun, and we will study here all these kinds of pronoun. Now let's begin with personal pronoun. So what are personal pronoun, children? Personal pronouns are the words that are used in place of noun, in place of the name of people, places, and animals. Just have a look. Personal pronoun, words that are used to replace nouns that name person, places, animals, and things are known as personal pronouns. So I, me, you, it, he, him, she, her, we, us, they, and them are personal pronouns. So all these words are personal pronoun. Among them, it. We can use it with plant, animals, and non-living thing. Now children, here I want to make a note. Just have a look. Just add a note. The pronoun it can be used for a plant, an animal, and a non-living thing. So we can use it to replace names of a plant, to replace names of an animal, and to replace a non-living thing. For example, just have a look. I lost my purse. Here, purse is name of a thing. I couldn't find it anywhere. Now, in first sentence, we are talking about purse, and if we want to use this word again, then we use it in place of purse, which is a pronoun. So, I lost my purse. I couldn't find it anywhere. Now, children, come to your book. Just have a look. Pronouns. Words that take the place of common nouns and proper nouns are called pronouns. So, the words that are used in place of nouns are known as pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, and them are called personal pronouns. So all these words are known as personal pronoun. Now what you have to do, children, just have a look. Complete the following with suitable pronoun. So all these fill in the blanks you have to complete by using personal pronoun. Just have a look. I lost my purse. I couldn't find it anywhere because it's a name of a thing. As I explained earlier, we have to use it in place of name of a thing. Now come to the next. Hello Raju, I have come to see you. So the correct pronoun is you. So options are given here. Among them you have to choose the correct one. And this question you have to complete in your book only. Come to the next question. Use suitable pronoun to complete the following. Here again you have to complete this passage by using personal pronoun only. Okay. So, that's all need a house to live in. We all need a house to live in. So, all these things you have to complete in your book. In my next video, we will discuss about the next pronoun, next kind of pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. Thank you.